Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview Tab 12, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. To get started, pull down your notifications and extend the list, and on one of the pages you should see a power saving toggle. Now for me it is right over here, as you can see. So once you find it, you can simply tap on it. It will bring up this overview tab, turn on battery saver to basically extend battery life, and the changes that will be made is it will turn on dark theme, turn off or restrict background activities, some visual effects, and other features like Hey Google. We're gonna select turn on, and that's about all it takes to turn it on. So one of the more important things that it changes is the network connections, or some network connections. And what it refers to is it might, I'm saying might because I'm not exactly sure, disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is just in sleep mode, which this would be considered sleep mode. So if you encounter that notifications are being delayed, delivered like minutes or maybe even hours later than they should be, then this is primarily a fault of power saving mode. Now anyway, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can turn it off by just tapping on a toggle once again. There we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.